Hey there, welcome back to channel and I am Shadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. The new iPhone lineup is here. Today in this video I like to share you guys iPhone 15 and 15 Plus big 5 changes, and it will be a huge great upgrade. Finally, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus come with the new dynamic island. So finally we don't have to see anymore the notch. Another great changes, the iPhone 15 lineup come with USB Type-C port. iPhone 15 and 15 Plus using USB Type-C too. So bye bye lighting cable. And another biggest change is the camera and the photography. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus come with 48 megapixel main sensor and 12 megapixel ultra wide. Also get 2x telephoto lens, which is really great. And we also get next generation portrait feature. So we are getting a excellent camera feature on the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus with a great photography features. And the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus come with Apple A16 Bionic chipset, which is 4nm processor with 5 core graphics and 6GB of RAM. So that is all about 5 new changes on the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. So if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.